Good evening, everyone. Welcome today, in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, August the 28th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letters Sudoku 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. 1 with 4 stars and 1 with 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. In Japanese, taguzu. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them. I will solve 4 of them. Why? Well, otherwise it will be too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright. The first one is a number 6998. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. I've already counted 27 printed digits. Should be 25, because the 3 stars Sudoku has always 25. The 27 should be a 1 star, but it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes. If it's a 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see if this is a 3 stars or a 1 star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, so no 7 there. So the only place level 7 in this column should be there. Alright. One of the missing number in this column is the number 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in this box. So the 2 could be here or there in this column. Here or there, we see another 2 in this row, so no 2 there. Only place level 2 should be here. Alright. Okay. Then 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 place level 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2. We have a 1 in this row, the 1 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this set column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in this big square, so no 1 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. And the 4. The 5, 6. And the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 3 goes there. Alright. 3, 8. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next only place level 8 should be there. Then. Okay. 4, 4. 4, 4. Yes. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have 4 in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in this column. 4 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the last row. 4 in the row above. So that row. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 3 and 9. 3 and 9. Let me mark those. 2 boxes, so we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. Let me mark those. 3 and the 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. Alright, so 1 number left in the last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. The 8 is missing. Yeah, 8 is missing. So 5 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the first column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Shoot me down. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. 1, 1, 1, 7. Now. Let me see. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so in the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left for the 6 over here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, and the 2 are missing. The 2. Well. Need 2 here. And we have a pair. The 2 and a 5 in this column. The 2 and a 5 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this row, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright, 1. Then. Let me see. Need a 9. Need a 3. And I need a 7 here. 7. 3, 9. 9 and a 3. Come on. 4 and 1, 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and look, we have 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 3 in this big square should be there. So 2 and a 4 left now. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. Then 9 and a 3. So we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this first column. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so the third row. Only place level the 7 should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row. Only place level the 4 should be there. 1 box left in the third row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, we have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3, 3, okay. 3, 3, yeah. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We share 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 4, the 7, 4, and the 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes in there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1 is missing. And the 2, the 3, the 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 missing, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 now in the middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish it in the 13 minutes. Well, told you. Cannot be a 3 stars. Yeah. Should be a 0 stars. Well, actually a 1 star. Because I'm faster than 15 minutes. But we solve it again. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.